Welcome to Learn and Talk English, the podcast that helps you become a confident English speaker through smart strategies, simple routines, and small steps that lead to big results. This is episode 42, and today we are talking about something powerful, something practical, and something that works. Just 10 minutes a day. Yes, only 10 focused minutes every day. No stress, no complicated grammar, no long textbooks. Just one small daily English habit that fits into your real life. Whether you're learning English for travel, for school, for business, for IELTS or TOEFL exams, or simply to speak with confidence, this episode is for you. Let's begin with one powerful truth. Fluency is not built in one day. It is built every day. 10 minutes of English practice may not sound like much, but when you do it daily, it creates momentum. And that momentum turns into a routine. That routine builds confidence. And that confidence leads to fluency. You don't need to study for hours. You just need to show up for 10 minutes a day. In this episode, you'll learn why short, daily English practice works better than long, tiring study sessions, how to train your brain to think in English, simple 10-minute routines to improve your listening, speaking, reading, vocabulary, and pronunciation, how to stay motivated even when you're tired, busy, or feel like giving up, and stories of real learners who built fluency using this exact approach. So grab a notebook or just relax and listen. You are already taking the first step. Let me tell you a quick story. A few years ago, I wanted to learn a new language. I bought the books, I downloaded the apps, I watched videos every night, and for a few days I felt motivated. But then life got busy. Work, family, stress, and my progress stopped. I told myself I'll study more tomorrow. But tomorrow became next week, and next week became never, until one day a friend gave me a challenge. He said, just do 10 minutes a day. No excuses, no pressure, just 10 minutes. At first, I didn't believe him. 10 minutes? That's not enough, right? But I tried it. 10 minutes of listening to a podcast. 10 minutes of reading a short English article. 10 minutes of speaking to myself in English. And something amazing happened. I didn't skip days. I didn't feel stressed. I just kept going. Within weeks, my listening improved. Within months, I was speaking more naturally. And within 1 year, I was using the language in real conversations, all from a small, daily habit. That's the power of daily English practice. Let's talk about what you can do in 10 minutes a day. Here are 4 easy, effective routines. Number 1, the mirror speaking method. Stand in front of a mirror, set a timer. Talk about your day, your plans, or your goals. This builds your confidence, helps with pronunciation, and trains your brain to think in English. Number 2, the listen and shadow method. Play a short English podcast or video. Pause after each sentence. Then repeat what you hear, trying to match the tone, rhythm, and pace. This improves listening, speaking, and accent. Number 3, the read and retell method. Read a short article or a few paragraphs, then close it and try to explain it in your own words. This builds vocabulary, comprehension, and speaking fluency. Number 4, the word power method. Choose 3 to 5 new words. Say them. Spell them. Use them in a sentence. Think about how you would use them in real life. In a week, you'll know 20 new words. In a year, over 1,000. You don't need to do all 4 every day. Just pick one. Keep it simple. Keep it consistent. Let me introduce you to Daniel. He works in construction. He's a full-time dad, and for years, he believed he was too tired, too busy, and too old to learn English. But one day, his daughter asked him, "Dad, can you help me with my English homework?" And he couldn't. That moment changed everything. He started small, 10 minutes a day. No more, no less. He listened to this podcast on the bus to work. He practiced speaking at night for a few minutes in front of the mirror. That's it. 3 months later, he could have a basic conversation. 6 months later, he helped a tourist in his city. 1 year later, he applied for a new job that required English, and he got it. Daniel says, "It wasn't the 10 minutes that changed my life. It was finally believing that I could do it." That's the power of habit. And that's the power inside you, too. So, how do you build your own 10-minute English routine? Step 1. Choose a time. Morning, lunch break, before bed. Find 10 minutes that work for you. Step 2. Choose your focus. Listening, speaking, reading, or vocabulary. Pick one skill per day. Step 3. Keep it simple. No big lessons, no stress, just one small task each day. Step 4. Track your habit. Use a notebook, a calendar, a checklist. Seeing your progress helps you keep going. Step 5. Celebrate. Yes, celebrate. If you practice today, say it out loud. I did it. Give yourself credit. Every day you show up, you grow. This method works for everyone. Whether you're preparing for IELTS, TOEFL, Cambridge English, or just want to speak more confidently at work, school, or while traveling, these habits will help you. They work for business English, for academic English, for English speaking tests, and for everyday conversation. Even if you're a beginner or returning after a long break, this method is for you. It's not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Because what you do every day shapes your future. Before we close, I want to leave you with this. Learning English doesn't require talent. It doesn't require hours. It doesn't require a perfect memory. It only requires commitment. Just 10 minutes a day, every day, even when you're tired, even when you're busy, even when you don't feel motivated. Remember, small steps lead to big results. You're not just learning English, you're becoming a confident English speaker. You're building a new skill, a new habit, and a new future. You've already started. Now keep going. This has been episode 42 of Learn and Talk English. Just 10 minutes a day. How tiny habits build big English skills. If this episode helped you, share it with a friend. Leave a comment with your daily English routine. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a lesson. One sentence, one habit, one day at a time. You've got this. See you in the next episode.